Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan-India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema? How your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था द पैशन द ड्राइव मतलब they wanted to make the best. You know, that is what I love about working here in the South. I mean, क्योंकि that mass, that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है. And you know, is the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie we can have it because we loved your that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean dialogue or something or Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का. We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब के साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मिली अभी तक.
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने promo देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How it's going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making you eat because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai, you know,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, would you like to answer? Yes. So we have seen you as a fitness freak and Baba to we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years. Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, you know, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Das with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me,